Welcome back to the Credit K YouTube channel. You know what we talk about: business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto. Help you level up in life. You know we about that. Back with another banger on the business credit side. A corporate card. You know, those are the truest form of business credit. Give you a quick definition of a corporate card. Corporate card is basically a form of credit that's in the corporation's name, LLC name, C Corp, S Corp, at nonprofit, well, not necessarily nonprofit, but in the business name solely. It's not attached to the owner of the business like most business credit cards are. This one is solely on the business. They do not run any personal credit checks for these, at least a hard pull that is. They may just say, make sure, verify who you are. But usually, there's no hard checks. They just verify you based off the income coming into your business. So these are new fintech. I've been talking about fintechs on this channel for over a year now. Financial technology. They basically scan your bank account, scan your tax forms if they ask for those, and then they determine their decision based on the income coming into your business more than your credit score. So if you like that type of information, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm dropping 2 or 3 videos a day for the next couple of weeks. Got a lot of content to push out. Been neglecting this channel a little bit. Been going hard on my Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link to that channel down below. If you want to learn how to flip these business credit cards into businesses, into other passive income, then go ahead and hop over there. All right, so here we go. We are in the Finally Corporate Card website. So the Finally Corporate Card, no personal guarantee. Like I was saying, they're not attaching to your person, not attaching to the owner of the business. They're only attaching to the corporation, to the business, not the owner. Combine expense report and real-time fraud protection. So a lot of these corporate cards, since they are going into your bank account, they kind of work in tandem like a QuickBooks as well. So if you need expense software, track, your expenses, incoming, outgoing income, then try this out for that as well. Quick instant approvals. Okay, so we should get our approval today. See what's going on. Spend and expense management software, points and rewards, virtual credit card. So that's good. You can attach it to your Apple Pay wallet. Let's see, they got any affiliate referrals, none of that good stuff. All right, so let's go into the pricing. What y'all's pricing about? So we got a full accounting, bookkeeping. So of course the expense management process is not free. Invoicing, you gotta pay for invoicing. Ooh. Oh, here's all in one. You get all in one. Okay, you get all in one for $89. So you can break it down. But it's still $89. So you might well get the all in one. what it's looking like. Pro, got the corporate card. No annual fees, no interest, 30-day charge. So it looks like the corporate card is like on the net 30. You gotta pay it back in full in 30 days. Expense management and payment processing, so you can, send invoices and take payments through this platform, which is pretty cool. I wonder if that part is free as well. So it looks like the bookkeeping and invoicing is things you're getting charged for. The card, the expense management probably comes included if you do get approved for the account. Well, let's get into the corporate card. That's what I'm here for. So we're going to start this application. Let's go ahead and run through it and see what happens. And before we get it, finally, commercial card is issued by Sutton Bank. All right, so the first screen, you got the application. You just put your email in the first screen. The second screen, you got the business name, business website, name, my email address. And so type of entity, we're LLC, annual revenue. I'm going to go with the 100,000. Wow. And employees, I have 5. you always want to have at least 3 or more employees. Your business definitely want to be over $100,000. Don't put any business revenue under $100,000. You won't get a manual review unless it's over $500,000, but you don't want to be a business only making $40,000. Don't put your annual salary on there, guys. So on the last page, it did ask for a business website. I do have a website for my business. I wasn't trying to put it on there, but it did require a business website. If you don't have a business website at this time, I advise you guys to put a Facebook page together for your business and put that on there. Or if you've got an Instagram page, business page, I would use that for your website. Category for my business is media and marketing. So we're going to pick this one. I usually do management consulting. We're going to put marketing and advertising. We got the EIN number. We're here in Georgia. And I'm going to fill out all our personal information. All right, so I had to put the EIN number, all that good stuff on that page. Now we got individual information. So this, even though it's a corporate card and they're going to approve you based on your business's information and credentials, according to the Patriot Act, they still need to know whose is receiving the funding and who's responsible. Make sure you guys are not smuggling any funds to terrorists or whatnot. So that's what it is. I'm going to fill this part out. All right, so I just got an email after that last page that my application has been started. Now it's time to link your bank accounts. Usually go through a platform called Plaid. Yep, there it is. Good old Plaiditon. I put in my bank account information, link my accounts, and it's saying thank you for completing your application. It was not an instant approval. One last thing, now they want to see 6 months of bank statements for your business. I may or may not do that. We'll see if I can get around that some type of way. But I have those. That's not an issue. But you see the process with finally corporate card. Go ahead and try this. Now, I do not know at this time if they're reporting to any business credit bureaus, if this will help you build a business credit. I know a lot of you guys are interested in actually building up business credit to get vehicles and equipment in your business name. That's really the only true thing you can really get from building business credit. As you see, by getting loans and lines of credit and credit cards, you either need to have revenue coming through your business or a strong personal credit score. So don't get it misconstrued that, just building business credit will get you loans and lines of credit. No, you got to have money or a strong personal credit score. So I'm done. We're here now. We have everything you need. Application is in review. And they got all the other stuff over here that they're trying to, I guess maybe one day send to me. How can we help you? All right, that's it. So if I do get a approval, I'll give you guys an update, but that's it. Finally, corporate card. Go ahead and try that out. And let me know. Drop a link in the comment if you got instant approval, if you already have this card, or if you got any other cards that you want me to review, let me know. I want to invite you guys to my Facebook group since you stayed to the end of this video. Link down in the description below to my Facebook and grants group. I'm going to grant your approval in that group. Have all type of business credit information and business grants that are not found online or on YouTube anywhere else. So that's that. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Credit K. Drop me a question, drop me a message. I'll see if I can answer it for you. I do have a mentorship service as well as other services, a $5 ebook as well, link down below. So go ahead and check all those out if you're interested in building business credit up. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.